So I uploaded 31 YouTube shorts in 31 days, and results were pretty amazing. Let's talk about that. In April 2021, I decided to give myself a challenge. I decided to give myself a challenge to upload a video every single day for an entire month. And the easiest way and the most doable way for me was through YouTube Shorts. For the ones who doesn't know, YouTube Shorts are short vertical videos that are no longer than 60 seconds long. It is made to be a direct competitor to TikTok videos and to Instagram Reels. So I came up with an ideas for 31 videos, I scripted them, I recorded them, I edited them, I uploaded them, and I scheduled them for every single day of May 2021. And here's what happened. To be very short and getting straight to the point, the results were pretty great. What you're seeing right now are my monthly views, watch time, and revenue for every single month for the past year. And as you can see in the first 11 months of this graph, the difference between each month was pretty negligible. But the last month is pretty great. And for the ones who are interested in numbers, here are some numbers for you. In May 2021, compared to previous month, my views went up by 50%. My watch time went up by 16%. My revenue was up by 34%. My new subscriber number was up by 21%. My impressions were up by 31%. My number of returning viewers were up by 28%. And my CPM was up by 23%. But not all numbers went up. And we're gonna talk about this a bit later in this video. But why? What's so different about uploading shorts every single day, and can you actually repeat these results yourself? Let's break this down. You see, the main thing about uploading shorts is that you're increasing the chance of your discoverability by adding one more traffic source to your videos, and it is YouTube Short Shelf. If you don't know what Short Shelf is, it's a place in YouTube app, mobile app. At the moment, it's not available on a desktop. It's a place where YouTube Shorts are organized in a scrollable manner, like for example on TikTok. Your videos will not appear there unless they are vertical videos and they are less than 60 seconds long. So now if you upload daily, you have 31 more videos where people can actually discover you through the short shelf. Granted that having a short video will not guarantee that it will appear in a short shelf, but at least you have a chance that it will be pushed towards untapped audiences. Also, shorts are actually still available and still perform as a regular videos, meaning that if you have a good keywords, you have a good description, if you have a good title, good thumbnail, it can be found like any other regular videos and can be discovered like any other regular videos through other traffic sources. So if you upload short, it's a win-win situation for both short shelf and any other traffic source. But what you usually don't know is that it's pretty weird when your video is being pushed on a short shelf. And as you can see on a graph right now, you see a lot of spikes during the month. This happens because usually when you upload a short, it starts performing as a regular video. If you have a lot of subscribers and big audiences, they will watch the video and it will continue picking up the pace like any other regular video. And if you don't have a lot of audiences, it will gain little to no views like in every other small audience's case. But some of your shorts can unexpectedly be pushed towards a short shelf. You never know when this will happen, but usually this happens only for a few hours. And the spikes that you see is coming from those few hours. In my case, when I got pushed towards the short shelves, my view number increased to around 20 to 50 views per hour for each video. I know it might not sound a lot, but for me, it was a pretty high number. And after a few hours, it just dies down. Like nothing ever happened. So in my case, some of my videos got around 200 to 300 views immediately in just few hours and they just died down after that. I know that people will be telling you that this is because of keywords, because the video's optimization and things like that. But in reality, no one really knows why videos are being pushed towards a short shelf. Because it's purely governed by algorithm and by the behavior of the people watching the shorts. You see, when video is being pushed on a short shelf, if it performs well, meaning that it has high average watch time, it has high like counter, it has high view counter, YouTube will try to find videos similar to that one. And if one of such videos turns out to be yours, then it will push your video as well. And then it will check your video performance and compares to other videos. If algorithm will see that your video is performing well within audiences, it will continue pushing it. But if other videos will outperform your videos, it will not push your videos anymore. That's how it usually works. It works like that on YouTube Shorts, it works like that on TikTok, on Instagram Reels, every other such platform. If there is no way to prepare for this, if there is no way to predict this, is there even reason to upload the videos on Shorts? To be fair, truth is kinda weird. And straight to the point. You see, when you upload videos daily on your channel, especially if they are shorts, with each and every video uploaded, you're increasing your chance of those videos to just blow up. Or in this case, be pushed towards the short shelf. That means that if you just upload one short and upload the 31 shorts, with the 31 shorts, you have 31 times more chance that your video will be actually pushed towards the short shelf or just towards everyone. I know that this is not exactly how math works in case of YouTube, but it's a very rough and very simple explanation. But here's also another question. What about other videos? What about other videos that I had on the channel? Did exposure to shorts actually help those videos to be more viewed? And actually, yes. To be fair, during May, my videos actually started to see more views, on average at least. How do I know this? So when May was over, when all 31 videos were up, I actually stopped uploading all videos altogether to see whether my views will actually go down or not. So I'm recording this video on 12th of June and this video will be up on 14th of June. There were no videos uploaded and from 31st of May to 14th of June. This video will be first video after this experiment. So for 2 weeks, no videos. So how the channel is actually performing? To be fair, pretty well. Yes, I get little to no views from shorts anymore, but my other videos actually are seeing increase in views. So before May 2021, my channel on average was getting around from 250 to 300 views on average per day. But now, in June, when there are no more shorts being uploaded, my views are almost always north of 300 views per day. And this is of course excluding the views from shorts. So if you're interested, how do I know if this excludes views from shorts? With vidIQ, you can actually see how many views from shorts that you're getting. So that's how I know that. And now to the main question. If you upload every single day for an entire month or whatever amount of time that you want to choose, every single day, one short a day, will you get the same results? And will it help your channel to grow faster? And to be fair, with the amount of data that I have, it's pretty difficult to say yes or no. To be fair, the real culprit of growth of my channel could have been just topics of the shorts. You see, before I was uploading shorts daily, I could upload only 4 to 5 videos per month, meaning that I could cover only 4 to 5 topics per month. And some of those topics were interested for some people, another topic was interested for other people, and overall, it was not a big growth on the channel. But with 31 videos every single day, there is something for everyone on my channel. And it actually showed. And for that reason, I had an increase in returning viewers. Now, if not every day, or if not every other day, at least every 3 or 4 days, there was at least something that was interested for everyone. And actual fact that I was creating shorts every single day probably had nothing to do with the growth, because the real reason might have been that people were interested in the videos topics that I was uploading. So with this amount of data, it's actually very difficult to say whether uploading shorts is helpful or the topics were helpful. So what's next? Will I continue uploading shorts? And actually, yes. Despite shorts requiring a lot of different ideas for a lot of different videos, and they're actually pretty difficult to edit, in bulk at least, I already started working on the next batch of shorts. Not just started, I almost finished working on them already. So starting from tomorrow, or at least in a few days, you're gonna see continuation of our daily short uploads, with more new series and more important topics regarding the topics of this channel. I've prepared almost 40 videos already. I'm preparing shorts for every day of the summer, so I will see whether 90 videos or maybe even 100 videos is enough for the channel growth boost. And maybe this will help you as well, because daily content is a great way to reach wider audiences. And if even uploading 100 videos every single day will help you to grow your channel, it's still much faster than anything that you could do on YouTube right now. Plus, with daily topic, I can cover every single question that you have, because what you think and what you get is far more important for me than anything else in this case. Oh yeah, and don't forget to like the video, because this actually helps. And don't forget to hit the beautiful subscribe button if you're not subscribed already. And there's also another video for you prepared right there. And I'm gonna see you in the next one. Take care.